नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. एस-एस-सी बोर्ड महाराष्ट्र स्टँडर्ड 10th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश. आज आपण पाहणार आहे ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ पोयम बास्केटफुल ऑफ मूनलाइट फॉर 5 मार्क्स. बास्केटफुल ऑफ मूनलाइट. The title of poem is Basketful of Moonlight. The poet's name is Sunil Sharma. The rhyme scheme is free verse. There is no rhyme scheme in this poem. Theme, central idea. The central idea of poem is a child desired to spend more time with his father. It is about a child imagination where he thinks he can help his father and other villagers return home early by lighting their path back from work with sheets of moonlight. The child who loves his father a lot and wishes for his company. He wants to have a lot of time with his father, but due to the darkness at night, he is not getting it. So he imagines that he could illuminate the route with the small moon by showing the sheets of moon or moonlight to take his father travel easy, safe and sweet.